Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to make a charlotte cake, a chocolate mousse charlotte cake. This sounds elegant. And you might be seeing some of the things here, well, I've already made. And if you're looking for the full recipes for these, you can go to glutenfreeguy.ca and you can find the recipes there. So I want to start by dusting all of my lady fingers here with icing sugar. And I'm not going to use all of them, but this just makes them look pretty too. And this way I can pick and choose which ones I want. There we go. A little bit more down here. And I don't mind going a little heavy on it. Whatever excess there is, it'll just fall off. Okay, and I'm going to set my mousse aside. Not mousse, but mousse. And then I have gone ahead and I have plastic wrapped, lined a springform pan. And I want to pick up each of these and I want them to sit inside. Now some of them aren't the same length, so I'm going to try and make them all the same length or close to it. There we go, that's better. And we'll trim a little bit off of those. That one's okay. That one's a little long and those are all fine. That seems fine, but these seem a little big. Okay. Let's see how we're doing now. Oh, wonderful. And I just want to go around and fit all of these in. As best I can. Just, oh, that one doesn't want to stand up. There we go. Some of them I might have to hold. It's like the plastic wrap is not wanting to cooperate. There we go. And it's almost like that icing sugar is acting like glue to the plastic wrap. It's really nice. Well, that one's really short. Well, I'll keep going. If I can replace it later on in the mix, I will. I'm going to run out of skinny ones. Let's move over here. Those look good. Looking nice. Ooh, there's a little bend in that one. There we go, and then, oh, that's way too tall. That's better. Oh no, that one broke. One more. Let's take that one. Let's see if I can fit it in. Okay, now I've done the whole outer perimeter. It's time for me to fit the inside. So I'm going to use some of these larger ones. Without letting my walls collapse down. And this I'm doing icing sugar up. And this is a great time to use up the little bits and bobs. Oh, that just fell. Stop falling. There we go. I think my cake is running out of patience. And now I want to take all of my chocolate mousse and pour it right in there. Let it fill all the crevices. Go. Smooth this out. Oh, I lost one. Well, let's get another piece in there. There we go. Just mixing and blending the egg white. Okay, so I want to cover this with some plastic wrap. And I want to make it touch the filling. And that's so that we don't create a skin. We just want it to firm up. Okay. This is going to go into my fridge for about 4 to 6 hours. And then we're going to dig into it and enjoy. See you in a moment. So it's been just over 4 hours. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to peel the cover up. Oh, I got to be careful of, I got to pull up. There we go. That looks lovely. And it's firmed up nicely. Okay, where's the release? And I'm going to just find the plastic wrap, make sure it's all up. Because I want to be able to lift that. And then, you see we had a little bit of seepage. But overall, it looks really good. I think I'm just going to have to cut that plastic wrap off. Or is it just going to come off? Oh, no, there we go. There we go. Maybe some scissors will be better. Because I think we could serve it just like that. I think the top needs a little bit of garnish, so perhaps I'll use a bit of a chocolate bar and some chocolate shavings. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That looks absolutely divine. I mean, I could easily see why a queen or princess or anyone would want something like this. So let's dig into it. I'm gonna just take my knife and cut a nice slice. Okay. I want to make sure that I don't get all that plastic wrap. Come on. Don't give me the plastic wrap. Oh, I gotta get my plate over here. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that looks really nice. Let's see, I left some of the base, so I'm gonna grab the base. Let's put that there. Oh, look at that. Looks so creamy and elegant. Okay, so I've got some of this base, and it's softened up a little bit. It's absorbed some of the moisture from the chocolate mousse. Mmm. Oh my God. I might eat the whole cake. Wow. Well, okay, let me go for another bite here. Get some insight for you. Mmm. The ladyfingers are nice and tender. They're not overly hard or crisp. They're a really nice balance with the chocolate mousse. The chocolate on top is just icing on the cake. I mean, it just adds to the whole chocolate flavor. It's like, oh, first you get chocolate, and then you've got more chocolate, and then it's like, oh my goodness, there's chocolate. It's intense, it's unbelievable, it's flavor packed, and I really like it. If you're looking for the recipe for this, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on any of these social media channels. And coming up next is this. Thanks for watching. See you soon. That's really good. Like, really nice.